Hi, good evening. So here I received the, the report from the Dare Boost for the web performance and quality report for https www.nestle.in. So let's see what kind of an analysis we are going to get it. And if you can see, the total number of pages is 55. So that's a good report. So this report has been provided by Dare Boost, an online tool for web performance and quality analysis and monitoring. So I think I'll better start off and see in 55 pages what kind of an analysis they have taken care for my selected company, which is www.nestle.in. So we will just check it out and we will go ahead with it. Now here we can see that they have started off with summary, which I'm not interested in, tips and best practices with the accessibility, browser rendering, cache policy, compliance, data amount, number of requests, quality, SEO, security, Google Analytics, and jQuery. So let's see whether this is also pertaining to the technical jargon or there is something else for the general public also who are coming from the non-technical background. So here I'm starting off with the summary, and we can see that they have also given us a 64%, 13 issues, 19 improvements, 64 successes for the websites of the Nestle company. So you can see there are so much of differences from company to company. Now, simulated visitor, if you are coming in, then we can check it out that they are using Chrome, Washington DC, and this is about 28 minutes they have taken care of. So the first bite for that particular website analysis they have taken up in 1.86 seconds. Now that's a pretty cool one. Now start render 2.40 seconds, fully loaded in 7.14 seconds, and speed index is 3283 ms. Now that's not a very good sign for us. Now here we have got two resource types, graphical representation, one by the weight by resources type, second is request by the resources type. So we can see that both of them seems to be the same as per the length goes. However, on the y-axis they have taken up a different numbers altogether. The deducted technologies, they have used what we call it as the Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Encapsula, then Microsoft SharePoint, Select2, and jQuery. So these are the ones that they have used in order to do the analysis. Tips and the best practices for the optimization through the accessibility, they have given a 0 out of 100. 5 elements, that is P, then this is P, then essay, then button, legend, caption, then fig, captions, quote. Elements must not be empty. Now, it's not anybody who's coming from the website designing will understand what is the importance of this and why they should not be empty. In order to educate us, I should thank Dare Boost that they have given us the reason also. The reason is because if they are, some screen readers will have difficulties interpreting their presence. So you see, it becomes very difficult for us to read certain things. For example, the photograph, sometimes the JPG images or the PNG images which are present on the website, they are not visible to us. They take the format of the small boxes and we are not able to see. Remove these elements from your code or decorate them with the this is ARIA hidden attribute. So they have given you the solution. So the best part why I like Dare Boost is that they are identifying the problem, number one. Number two, they are giving you the solution. Number three, not just the solution, how to even tackle that particular solution. So all the three things they have given to us. So that's a superb kind of a thing. The next one that you can look up is explain the purpose of each form field. So again here, if we read them, they have given you entire details about it as to how to proceed further. So any lay person who does not understand anything about the web pages will be able to educate himself or herself. The main title of the page must be the first data type. Now you see the solution for the companies also they have given us. That's a wonderful and awesome, and we need to clap for them for giving us such a wonderful report. Well done. These best practices are respected. So 100 out of 100. So they have given you for certain things 100 out of 100, 100 out of 100, and then let's see where all labels refer to an element. So what is next for us? Your optimization, defer passing of JavaScript, reduce resources response time. Now this is, you should reduce the number of DOM elements that was also necessary. Now, though they are technical by nature, they really help us out to understand. So even if a business person who is running the show for his company or her organization, once this report has been showcased, I'm sure the IT department cannot fool the management, and that's the importance of the website analysis. Not only from the business perspective, however, from the other end also. When I go ahead and I'm giving an interview for a company, I can tell them, see, I have done this homework, and trust me, this really boosts your caliber also side by side. Now that's the reason why I thought, okay, let me proceed further and start off with the website analysis. So here the best practices have been shared by him, and I'm rushing along because we are just reached to the 9th, now the 10th page. Let's see what else he has to give us. Yes, your optimization again set as a future cache. These are again pertaining to the technicalities. Again, you do not use too long inline scripts. Now expire headers, then comes in no frame set, no Java applets, again technical aspect, no BOM, that is byte order mark. So anybody who is coming from the computer sciences background, management students who have opted for the computer sciences, journalism and mass communication students who have taken up, or even the corporate the students who are opted for the corporate law, especially the computer sciences and the legal aspects of it, can really go through these things and understand what is the importance of such things. And here you can even know flash resources, Silverlight kind of a thing, EOT is not there. Then the font formats which are necessary, when you are scripting or you're presenting it out, the way you present out the script really matters a lot, and there are certain guidelines or principles or rules which have to be followed up. So these are like mandatory, and they have given to us completely 13 images are resized. Remember, in one of the thing they have said that we are given 9 images out of 9 images, if you remember, in one of the website analysis that we have done for. And now here you can check it out that 13 images, it's not just 9, they are talking about 13 images, and they are resized on the browser side. So if I have to do the visual analysis of the website itself, now here I get the importance of it. Now that's the kind of thing that I need to proceed further, and the numbers also play a lot of role out here. The next one is 48 static resources. Now again, that is jargon for me. 5 domains send 9 KB of cookies. So here again they have done. So you can see that how well the details has been presented out. And once we have this kind of a thing with us, I'm sure that the analysis completely gives us complete report, and it is absolutely transparent for me, and not just me, even for the other people who are residing or taking care of their own websites. Now that's the fabulous journey of the website analysis, and that's the reason why I picked up under business analysis to start off with the website analysis, or what I call it as the web analytics portion also. Now important declaration is 794 times the script that they have used, and they have highlighted in the red color. And going ahead and checking out with the other things, maybe they are even talking about the social media. Now that is again a very fascinating kind of a journey for us to look up as to what happens when an outsider, the external customer or the client, visits a particular website, and what kind of things are being observed by them. And the external clients, the visitor details, fine, but what about for the customers themselves? Are they able to understand certain things or not? So these are the things that are present for us, and I'm sure we would love to go ahead and know what they are and educate ourselves regarding the websites itself. So I think I have done my job, and I'm very happy that yes, I started off the business analytical journey with the chapter or the series on website analysis, which I really like it, as I told again and again in each and every part of my presentation, that yes, see, this is what makes me happier, and to share the entire journey of mine as well as with the website analysis to others, also to each one of you. I think they have not showcased more with the social media or the mobile applications that the websites use it. Maybe see that they have stopped it out here. Maybe I can write it out to their boost and find it out from them why they haven't taken care of and why they're just focusing on this one only. Till then, thanks, take care, bye.